What's up everybody? You're here with the Fly Guy. My wife and I took a trip to Taiwan a while back. This trip was not just a getaway, it was tactical. I'm going to be talking about the reasons why we went to Taiwan and sharing more footage from what we did there. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button on the way out. If you like this video, go ahead and hit thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more Philippines and travel videos. Thanks again for watching everybody. Take care, and we'll catch you next time.